Good morning. Welcome. Sorry that I'm a little bit late. I was on the Discord late earlier, but nobody was there. I was doing the pre-market, so I'm thinking about not doing the pre-market here. Morning. Uh, and instead just doing it on the Discord, so we can spend the time here on the YouTube just trading. All right, so we had a lot of reports coming out. GDP better than expected. All these numbers are preliminary. We did have mortgage numbers as usual. Then ADP non-farm employment came lower than expected. So that's from this side is a good news. Then GDP, even though it's a good news because the economy is growing, it's not so good for the action that the Fed might take. Then we had trade balance. Oof, horrible number here. PCE, and then we have a 10. So we have 9:45. Incredible. Today is very busy. Chicago PMI, and then we'll have JOLTS job opening, pending home sales, and then crude oil inventories, and then we got Chair Powell speaking at 1:30. Very busy day. So I do expect a lot of volatility, not like yesterday. The dollar, look, the dollar is going down, but look at this day. Look at the previous. Look at Monday, and look at yesterday. So both days where the dollar was dropping big time, and then it managed to recover at the end of the day. Same here yesterday. Let's see if we can do the same today. If we do the same today, then we will have some drop. Remember, Powell is speaking, so Powell always tend to push the market down nowadays. Okay. I'm more like neutral because I don't want to be bearish on the market when the dollar is actually dropping, right? I don't know, like this demand is already tested. Look how irregular this is. Just a sideways trend here. Okay, just it went sideways for a couple days, and the real demand is this one, but the real demand is already taken out. It's already used up. So if we come back to this level, it's hard for me to consider it as a demand zone. Still there, but anything that is holding prices here is up here, right? It's not in the demand. The demand is already used up. On the GDP news, we had a move up on the dollar, and then on the blue line, which is London Open, right here. Sorry, where is it? It's right here. This one. We're trying to push down. If you go back to the 5 minutes, obviously we're not obviously. I'm not gonna say anything obvious in trading, right? Anything can happen. So I retract that comment. But from this drop-based rally, right, an explosive move up, we have we're trying to retrace from here. Okay. What time is it? It's 3 more minutes. All right. 1 second. I'm gonna open the trade station. I haven't opened it yet. All right. right, so I'm gonna open this and I'm gonna minimize it. Nice. All right, so let's take a look at the bond yields. So bond yields are, look, it went through the supply. Now we're trying to push higher. Okay, and this break and retest is working out. See that? This supply, 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 and then we went through after the news. Now we're trying to retest this high. Let's see if we can hold to the upside. If we manage to get higher on this one and the dollar stays where it is at, I think we will have a bearish day. So the markets are retracing a little bit right now. VIX is the same area, still within demand. I don't have any supply right here nearby. So if we have an explosive day today, we might get to, it's too much, 10%. It's 24. Let's see. We have Powell speaking. We have a lot of news coming out. All right. So I'm going to put this one and wait for the market to open. Give me 1 second. All right. Nice. Yes. Yeah, no, we got to be patient. Today, there is going to be a lot of opportunity, I think. I don't know what's going on here. I do have a lot of errors here on the. All right, so it's 99, 97, 98. So we are open. Let me put the other screen. So I'm gonna put it here. Live trading. There you go. Please don't take my trades. Do this at your own risk. So let's see what the dollar is doing. So the dollar, even though it's coming down, still holding right there after the. We haven't broken any low since the news. We haven't broken any low since the news. Opening inside range on the valley from yesterday. Highly likely that we chop around until the news. Yeah, most likely. Yep. Yeah, it looks like it wants to chop around. Yeah, I'm gonna put the I am going to put the YouTube here. I wanna go see the internals though. I'm gonna put you guys here so I can watch them. There we go. So I can watch you. There we go. Let's go see the internals. Very positive. The ADQD tick chart, not so. Is on neutral. The tick chart. Yeah. Yeah. Chop is a good answer for the next 30 minutes until we get the 10 a.m. and 9:45. Wow. Yeah, that's why you cannot be bearish when the dollar is dropping and you have no high quality demands, right? Like look at the open. We came down to stop out people probably, and then we're going back up. Yeah, dollar hasn't moved, but it hasn't broken any low though. Dollar hasn't moved. Wow, what a 7 minute spectacular. Super sideways. Now it's trying to push down. He's trying to push it down. I don't know why I do have this. This is crazy. All right, so let's do this. 500. There we go. I'm gonna put my risk today is going to be on $260, and let's make it happen here. All right, so see how the dollar is just holding right there. So I don't have any demand here, but on the supply side, I do like this one big time. No, not really. I would consider this. Let's see how this goes. So here's the deal. I need the tick chart to the top of the I need a tick to go to the like high extreme, and high extreme today is between 2 and 300. It's very negative. It's minus 200, so there is no short here for me. Yeah, markets are 100% flat. Dollar starting to push down now, below the news event low. All right, you see how this is not okay. So the tick chart came to plus 100 at here. See that? Came to plus 200 at here. So if I want to show you this, guys, look at this. So tick chart came to plus 200 and it started to reject from there. See that? So anytime I want to short today, if I want to short at all, has to be around here, this extreme, not lower. Oh my God. Sorry. I don't know what's going on with my computer, to be honest. Here, there we go. 1 minute for the 45. What is it? 45. What is that we have? So we have Chicago PMI. Yeah, it's coming out in 1 minute. Yeah, let me get rid of this. Let's go see here. There you go. I do have a bunch of support lines. Yeah. The overnight high, overnight low. There you go. Yeah. Oh, yeah, Drew, sorry. Let me update the link. Give me 1 second. Taurus, what do you say? What time do you get to your computer in the morning to do the pre-market and stuff? Because I'm thinking in doing the pre-market in Discord so we can share ideas. I think it'll be great. I think it's better. All right, so content live. There we go. Drew, go ahead and try to click the new link. I'm gonna post it here though to join the Discord. Drew. Chop chop. Very choppy. So we had a Chicago PMI. Well, let's see what Chicago PMI gave us. Why I don't have this? Hasn't come out yet. Yeah. Wow. 37.2, and the target was and the expectations were 47. So purchasing managers index, wow, is determines the economic health of the manufacturing sector in Chicago area. Chicago region. A reading above 50 indicates expansion of manufacturing second. Wow. It's contracting big time. Yo, good morning, Jay Marquez. Chop chop. Is Binatex called differently in Canada, France, or Great Britain? I have no idea. Just I don't know if the team knows the answer of the Stephen question. I don't know it. All right, so dollar hasn't give up though. Dollar hasn't give up. It went through the low from the 830 spike, and then we're rejecting back up. To be honest, to be honest, I like the short better, but there's going to be a lot of volatility, right? I don't want to be overly short because of the dollar. The dollar is dropping. It's negative today, right? It's holding right there. But look, the internals are showing weakness. ADQD opened up at around plus 600. It went to 800 now, and we're almost flat, right? Let me see what's going on here. Apple is flat. Microsoft above 1%. Amazon flat. Alphabet flat. It's positive, but not much, 0.3%. Yeah. Let's wait for our trade. While we wait for news event, I'm gonna pour myself a coffee. And I'm not wearing a hat today, but I am right now. There we go. Alter trades. Yeah. Do you know I am? Look, Taurus, I ask you a question. What time do you sit in your computer in the morning? Because I'm thinking just join the Discord early, like around 8, and we can share a lot of things. Like we can talk to each other, and then go to the YouTube. What do you say? 6 a.m. Eastern time? Wow, that's early. I was thinking more like 8, an hour before. We can exercise this doing a pitch, elevator pitch for the market, a context. I think that is one thing that we used to practice in the office, but we didn't do it long enough. But I think an elevator pitch on the market context is so important. So you can tell in few words, few seconds, what are you seeing? What are you interpreting? What is the scenario for today? Okay. 11,622. Yeah. Look, we do have a lot of supply, or at least I see a lot of supply between 605 to 640, around there. I think there is some supply right there. Yeah. All right, let's try to make it. I was doing it yesterday and today, but nobody was there. I mean, I still did it. I still showed my screen, and I didn't talk to anybody, but I was doing my lines here on the dollar, VIX, and stuff. So we don't have to do that on the YouTube. All right, I'm gonna pour myself a coffee. We have like 5 minutes for the news. I'm coming. Oh, really? Jay Marquis, nice. Um, do you trade London? I used to trade Forex at 3 a.m. But then I got tired of because I used to drive to Boynton Beach. Oh, nice. I used to drive to Boynton Beach. I did it for a year, like 2 years. Yeah, London is pretty smooth usually. Yeah, I'm coming. Let me do myself a coffee. Wow, it hasn't moved since I left. Yeah. Yeah, now at this point, I think we're waiting for the report. Yeah. Dollar, the same place. This thing looks a little bit bearish. Do we have any demand right here? Probably this one. But it's more like a bull bear. It's more like a bull bear. uh, let's see if we can get the one-to-one here. 2 more minutes on the 7 minute. The dollar is went up, right? Let's see if we have the one-to-one. How much are we? Like half to one. Like half to one. Let's see where the one-to-one is. Yeah, it's gonna be hard for me to reach the one-to-one if we don't get the momentum. So here's the one-to-one. Load. One-to-one. We need the momentum to pick up in our way. Now the tick chart is giving me an extreme high. I'm not sure. All right, so we're close enough to 1-to-1. We're close enough to, okay, now we're 1-to-1. I'm moving my stop. All right. So what, I come back on the 7-minute? There's one more minute to go. So we still have time to retrace back down. I'm long since 35.5, but let's see. It's a free trade at this stage. It's a free trade right now. Although the 1-to-1, sorry, the 7-minute has one more minute. So that's the only thing that I don't like very much. But other than that, it's not bad. The dollar is reaching a little bit of supply right there. Yeah, at this point, if we retrace, it's a free trade. Yeah, dollar is reaching the blue line, the London Open again. Let's see what the dollar wants to do. So it's good when the dollar goes up and reach some sort of supply. It's good for the long. Now, I am new 7-minute. Let's see what the 7-minute brings us. Does not look pretty on the 7-minute. We didn't close above. We didn't close above the other the previous candle, so that gives me some supply on the 7-minute. So that's okay. If we hit a break even, it is a break even. That's all we can do. I think I want to scale out a little bit here. I'm gonna take like 4 contracts. I think I want to take 4 contracts here. There we go. All right, I took. Oh shit. Why? I took 6 contracts. Oh shit. Yeah. Wow. That's frustrating. It's okay. On the apex, at least I have the entire position. I don't know why I didn't close anything. All right, apex 3. So I'm gonna take 17 contracts, 18 out. There we go. I have 3 left. There we go. Where's my target? Is 586, 586. That might be it though. All right, guys. So we're long in this thing from 35.5. Just one left contract. One contract left. I scaled out on the apex. in a lot better shape. Like I wanted to scale out only 4 here, and I scaled out 6 because of this thing it was on. I don't know why. So 3 more minutes for the 7 minute, and we didn't break any high right there. Not a good sign. But at this point, it's just $70 what I'm risking, $60. And in the apex, I already have realized $1,700, so I'm okay. I was risking uh somewhere around 600. Hmm. Between the accounts. What are your thoughts, guys? Long, short? Now in Q is not weak. Yes, I think the weakest one is the Dow and the RTY. So if I go to the 30-minute, yeah, no, NQ is not weak. Like the Dow and the ES a little bit, but not in Q. I want to see this. I want to see. All right, so the dollar is pushing higher. Dollar is pushing higher. This thing is not dropping. Not right now. Let me see. All right, so wow, it's weird. Bond yields are going up big time. Now the market is not going up. It's basically sideways. It's basically sideways. Um, Probably needs to find some supply. It's basically sideways. Yeah, the NQ is going up 0.4%. The rest of them are flat. See if we can reach. See if we can reach the target. I'm not pretending that it's going to bring. Sorry, this is gonna go above the overnight high. Just need 586 for my target, and it's just one contract left. I already took the majority of 2 to 1. Yeah, now it's double topping right there. Tick chart does not look bad. ADQD perfect at the 0 line. Yeah, ES is weak. NQ is a bit stronger, but it's not very strong. Like it doesn't go through zones. It hasn't gone through any zone actually. It's just there. It's choppy there. Yeah, I might get break even at this one, but it's okay. Hmm. Already got 2 to 1, and the other accounts were scaled out a lot more better, like a lot better. So I don't know if after this trade I could take any other. It's so choppy. Yeah, at this point with the double top, if we don't break this right here, like this actually that week is the one that putting some pressure to the downside. If we break this, I think it'll be a good for the direction, right? But we need to break this. See that? That's a week. That is the week that is putting some selling pressure. There you go. There you go. Ooh. So sell orders are above this week. See that? How we just broke here and we came to the downside. Yeah. We might have some more downside. There's nothing here to stop the price. Other than this consolidation here, but I don't really like it. Looks like the orders might be here. At this point, I would have lost the entire move. How much what I was, yeah, 43 points. Yeah. That's good that I scaled out though. I'll be freaking out. How much I got left in the other one? Three contracts. Three. I'm gonna take two. So the dollar is reaching more supplies, but I think it's being bulk based big time. Yeah. I want to see the dollar on daily. Wow. You know what I'm saying? This is what I'm saying, guys. Look, I was commenting this on the pre-market when I was doing the pre-market. Look at that. We came here very, very, very sharply to the downside. We recover here. We recover here. Yeah. What else do you expect? Recovery, right? Let's see if we can continue to the upside. So the short will be a better trade. Yeah. Yeah, at this point, I don't think this thing is gonna turn around from here. It's very unlikely. So break even on the left, on the contract left. Yeah, tick chart is trying to push higher, but I don't see any momentum to the upside. It's completely sideways. So right now the strongest is the RTY. NQ turned a little bit weak. YM is definitely the weakest. Yeah, 7 minute supply, that's strong. It's not gonna be easy to break to the upside. We need some push. And look at the dollar. Wow. Dollar is positive now. Dollar is positive. Now what is going on the bond yields? Oof. Bond yields going up as well. So it's 3.8, 3.794 on the 10-year. Along with the dollar, that's a cocktail for the short. That's a cocktail for the short. Waiting for the new NY to follow the Dow. I'm not sure. I don't trust that Dow index. It's not a thing index. What I'm trying to say is that it's just 30 companies, right? So it tends to move differently. All of them are going down. The NQ is the only one trying to push higher, and it doesn't make sense to me. It just doesn't. Rates are going up and the dollar is going up. NQ should be the leader to the downside, but it's not. So something is going on there. That doesn't mean that it couldn't happen. It's happening, right? Rates are going up and the dollar is going up, right? And the market is holding. That's why you cannot make sense of this. Like you cannot consider this as a law, right? This is just a theory, and you have to weigh probabilities every time you're trading. In theory, rates going up and the dollar going up, NQ should be the weakest one, and it's not. Yes, and that week DXY, yeah, DXY going up. Now I do have some supply on the dollar. Here it is. I do have this supply from yesterday. We closed here yesterday, so this is a supply. This is a supply from days ago. The blue line. See that? That should push. That should be pushing NQ to the upside. It is a little bit right now, right? Remember, dollar going up doesn't mean that the market is gonna go down exclusively. If the dollars find supply and we have demand on the NQ, it's gonna go higher, right? Remember, we want a supply on the dollar and a demand on the equity markets. That's the equation that I use. You see that? So we came here. I was talking about this supply. Now come back. We came back again. Let's see if it's going to work. I hope doesn't work. So I hit my target. But it it's not very likely that it's going to work, but anything could happen. Uh, well, ADQD is going down now. That's one thing that I don't like. Um, yeah, but the 7 minute cannot break any high. It's weird. 7 minute cannot break any high. I'm gonna show you. Where is the live trading? Look at that. Look at that. The 7 minute hasn't broken any high here. This one broke, but not the pivot. See, that's completely sideways since 45. Actually, since the open, we've been in this range. Like a Taurus said. Taurus said, let me see the comment at the beginning. Open inside the range in valley from yesterday, high likely to chop until the news, but the news didn't break us out of the range. Yeah. Wow. This supply is freaking working. Look. Yeah. Now, higher probability stopped out break even. That is the highest probability right now. There you go. And the dollar break into the upside. So there are some buyers trying to hold this price, but I don't. The momentum is down, definitely. Coming off of this supply. Now all of them in tandem are very weak. All of them in tandem are very weak, and the dollar is overly strong. Yes, and that weak DXY going up. Exactly. If there is a big sell order right there at 64.50, we could be attracting price as a vacuum, not necessarily because buyers are pushing price, but because the bulk of orders are right there at 64. So what I'm going to do in my other accounts, I'm gonna scale out a little bit. I still have few contracts on the other accounts. Yeah, 64, 64, 65 looks like it has a lot of supply. Yeah, and the dollar now is retracing for a break and retest. So that's like we couldn't be more bullish on the dollar. Look at this. Yeah, break and retest the blue line right now. Ooh, it's not good. It's not good for equity markets. For those wondering my position or just joining the live stream, I got in long here with 7. I scaled out around here, and then this is my runner. The runner might get a break even though. It's fine. But look, we cannot break any high on the 7 minute. So there's a lot of supply, and the dollar is pushing higher big time. Dollar is pushing higher big time. Wow. What a comeback on the dollar. Let's wait for Powell to see what the dollar is gonna do with Powell. But look, the market should be going down with this strong dollar, but it's not. So I think that the market has some sort of strength. Yeah, now the NQ turned into the weakest one. See that? And it makes sense. The dollar going up and the bond yields going up big time. All right, so we're gonna be stopped out break even right here for the runner. Is fine. You already made 1,700 bucks. And look, it's a good buy, but I'm just gonna leave it at break even. What's that? extreme on wow, look at this 7 minute. This is crazy. Let's see if we can break 65. Yeah, we cannot even break any high on the 7 minute. It's incredible. 5 minutes retracing to the upside. Yeah, if you are shorting from here, look how painful this is. If you're shorting from here, look how painful this is. Every retracement is brutal. Slowly coming down, but it's brutal. Yeah, thanks, buddy. But I already scaled out, so I'm not attached to this trade. Like if I didn't make any money, the money was already made. This is the cherry on the top of the ice cream, if you will. But what I'm trying to say is like, look how painful it is to short this market. Look at this. Every time it comes down, it retraces brutally. Go down, retraces. Go down, retraces. Damn, it's hard. Like now, when I got long, look, I got my money right. Now this retracement is fine because I just have one contract left, but and the dollar continues to go up, buddies. The dollar continues to go up. Right now, the dollar turned around and minus 0.6%, and we are at plus 20%. That's 1% almost turnaround. There's no action for me to take here other than I could scale out in the other account because I have more contracts. Let me see if I can scale out here. Yeah, no, that ain't gonna happen. It's too low. It's not even 1-to-1. So 1-to-1. Yeah, we cannot even break one 7 minute high. Not even one. Could be that we're getting ready for a big drop this afternoon. Might be with Powell. Who knows? This is the market that can take all your money, guys. If I were not in this thing, forget. I wouldn't be looking for any trade. Zero, nada. This is the market that can take all your money, literally. There's no chance, at least for me, for my system. There is zero chance right there for me. All right, so we broke 1.7 main high, which is the previous one. Let's see if we can break the other one. Doesn't look like. Ooh, extreme on the tick chart. That's not good. Extreme positive on the tick chart. That's a sign of exhaustion. I got my scale out on the other accounts at 64. Right at the supply. Finally, the dollar is retracing a little bit, but that's not good. 55. Yeah, it's a break and retest. It is a break and retest right there. Yeah, yeah. Setting an alarm for price. Be back at 1:30. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, this thing is not gonna go anywhere. I'm gonna leave it on, but I have no action to take other than just wait. Lower highs. Lower highs, yeah. It looks like they're selling big time. Looks like they're selling big time. Now the dollar's going up. This thing should be going down. In reality, it's not. Like it's flat. We should be going down. All right, we're gonna get stepped out here for the runner. Yeah, so we're out of everything. Yes. Yeah, we're out of everything. We got 2-1 in that trade. Yeah, I'm not looking for anything right now. Control at 440. Yeah. I feel we could try to get before the bigger move. Yeah. Um, I tell you, the dollar move is not insignificant. I think the dollar move is something, but the market hasn't moved what currently. It's starting to move right now. But look how painful it is to short this thing. So where do you get in? Let's say you're getting here, but look at this retracements. Look at this, how painful this is. See how important it is to watch these formations being created is very important. Like I was talking about this supply right here. If we manage to go above this double top, not the double top, this in reality, this is the point that is important. This, right? The double top here and this week. You see that? This is the entire area. So I said, all right, if we manage to break this high right here, we might go higher. But look what happened here. We barely break to the upside and then boom. That's what I said. Look, this is a good supply. This is a good area to short from. And came this one. This one didn't make it. And there we go. So right now we put this one. It's not fresh. So the fresh is here. Here is fresh. Wow. Good area. But now after this, I don't take it. 12 minutes. No, it's 1:30. They moved it. No, Powell speaks at 1:30 in the afternoon. We have some time. No. No, Joel's job opening already came out. Yeah. Now we don't have any more news. But look at the Joel's job opening. Forecast 1024. We had 1033. So it's going up. That's not good. That's not good for the inflation and stuff. Chicago PMI, damn, 37. That's very, very recessionary numbers. Yeah, we don't have anything else but Powell speaking at 12 at 1:30. Yeah. Coming back in 2 minutes. I'm gonna get some fresh air. There's nothing for me to do here other than be patient and see if we can create some, see if we can have some formations here to be created, but volatility is gone already. We're gonna have to wait for Mr. Powell to speak. Did not even close the overnight low. So NQ basically is flat. The other ones are going down a little bit, like RTY 0.5%, Dow 0.5%, NQ flat. Dollar is still going up incredibly. It's incredibly strong. I want to show you the day chart, daily chart. Wow, look at this. Wow, look at this comeback. And we talked about this at the beginning of the trading session. Dollar was dropped like down 0.5%. But look at the Monday, look at Tuesday. And we managed to double bottom here and break to the upside. Oof. That will bring some bearishness in the market. If we do this on the daily, right? This is the daily. If we happen to do this, damn. It's not going to be good for the equity markets. Now, there's some supply here. Some. But look how painful it is to short. If you're not scalping, there's no business for you in this market. That's it for me. Like, I am not a scalper. So for me, these type of trades, like this one or this one or this one, it's just for scalpers. 60, roughly 25 points. Now we have a mixed news results today. So we have ADP, non-farm unemployment change. It came, and I'm gonna say this, it is bullish for the market, right? Although came lower, it's bullish for the market. 127k against 196k expected, right? The forecast. So unemployment came down. That's good. That means sorry. So we add up less jobs to the labor force, right? To less people got jobs. So that's good, right? That's good because that's what Powell's want, right? That is what Powell wants. So that's good. Preliminary GDP quarter to quarter, it was above expectations, 2.9. That's bearish, right? So bullish, bearish. Why is bearish? Because a growing economy, he wants to slow down the economy, so he needs to see some signs that the economy is slowing, so inflation can slow down. That's one thing. Then you have Chicago PMI, purchases managers index, came lower than expected. That will be bullish, right? Although it's very it's not good that we have some lower number on the manufacturing side of the economy. We should be producing more, right? So that's, I would say, is neutral. And then what else? JOLTS job opening. That's very bearish. It came high, above expectations, so that will turn the market bearish, right? 10.33 million against 10.24 million. 24 million. That's not good. But the market chose to be sideways. The market chose to be sideways. So we've been here for like a week or two, right? We've been in this range for, I'll tell you. Let me put the 30-minute. Wow. We've been here since November 10th. 2 weeks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 trading days. So 3 entire weeks. 3 trading days. Sorry, 3 trading weeks. So meaning 15 days. this one. I don't know about this, but I do like this. This one is already gone. And this is the best point, I would say, like this. I think this is the best point for me to buy, if I were to buy here. All right, guys. This is all from me today. See you guys tomorrow, okay? Discord earlier in the morning, like 8:15, somewhere around there. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like. See if we can reach more people. Okay? Thank you, guys.